All right, this video is going to be on this Ranwin 24-foot pool cover. Now, at least I think that's how you pronounce this company. Now, they sent me this just to do a little review on it. You can also buy this for a 12-foot, 15-foot, 18-foot, and a 21-foot pool. Now, I have a 24-foot pool, so that's as big as they make these for. These will come, and it's actually going to be like a 28-foot round cover, so it will give me a 2-foot overlap all the way around my entire pool, and it is a 14 by 14 scrim, which if you've never ordered a pool cover, the higher the scrim count, the better the pool cover. That is one thing I don't recommend skimping on. You definitely want to get a high scrim count when you order a pool cover. That way it will last a lot longer. When I first opened this up and looked at this, I think this is nicer than my last pool cover. I don't remember what scrim count I got for that, but it pretty much means how many little weaves they got. I don't know if it's 14 by 14 in every inch maybe, not sure exactly. All I know is 14 is one of the higher counts that they even have. It might be the highest, but this looks like this is going to be a really nice pool cover. Nice and heavy duty. I mean, look at that. About knocks my table over. And it does come with its own little cable and a little, it has a little pulley thing on there. And it looked like mine came with an extra one. I don't know if I was supposed to get an extra one, but I have an extra one. Let me show you a little bit up close and personal better. But it definitely, I mean, look at that. This does not look like a cheap pool cover. So I think you'd be really, really happy with something like this. I will put a link to this down in my description and in my first comment if you guys want to try to get one of these. You don't want to wait. I recommend trying to buy one now. You don't want to wait till right before winter to go buy one, because sometimes maybe stuff like this will sell out. So I recommend checking this out. Looks really, really nice. Let me see where, oh yeah, there. And here they have the little eyelets all the way around it in metal. It's really not a lot to show you, but it looks like a nice pool cover to me. So I think it's definitely going to work. All right, thanks for watching this little review on this pool cover. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. And you can watch one of my other, I must have like 12 or 15 videos on this 24-foot above ground pool. So God bless and have a great summer.